What's up, guys? We're here in JPM. We are doing the filler for Group Break 147, I think, or 146 for Vegas and the Islanders. So we're going to go live. We're live at 446. It's 446 here in Denver. Going to grab a fresh list. So we got Mr. Mike Emery on top and the bottom. Mike on top, Mike on the bottom. Guys, we're going 3 times. Top 2 are each going to win a team. Good luck. 1, 2. Jason and Mike on top after 2. Jason's not going to be happy with me. Maybe. And third and final time, guys. Good luck. Top 2. Well, same exact outcome. Jason and Mike. Jason, you got Vegas, and Mike, you have the Islanders. Congrats, guys. And guys, there you have it. Sorry, 448. 448.